Hello friends, today I'm going to walk you through on how to find someone on WhatsApp. First, you need to save the person's number on your mobile phone, or you can save the number on WhatsApp. Once you've saved the number, you open the WhatsApp on your device. Now, you click on the chat or phone book icon at the top right corner of the screen to open your contact list. Once in the contact list, you can tap on New Contacts to add the number. And if you already have the number on your list, you click the search icon at the top of the screen. Then you enter the contact name here. Once the contact is shown, you click on it to open the conversation. You can either chat with the contact, you can call the contact either on audio call or video call. You can tap on the name of the contact at the top of the screen to access the contact's detail. Here you can find group, you can create a group with the contact, you can see the contact phone numbers, you can block the contacts, report the contact, log the chat with the contacts, and so on. So guys, that's how you find someone on WhatsApp. Hope you enjoyed the video guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Bye.